Hi, I'm Tori, and today I'll be showing you how to import a submittal log from Excel into Sage Construction Management. We are going to start in our submittal log. We need our project number, our submittal date, submittal subject, submittal description, originator company, and coordinator company. Everything else can be put in there. This is the template file from Sage, and those all can be put in there, but the things highlighted in yellow are required. Please remember that for the dates, you need to have them in date format. So make sure to format your cell correctly. We are going to go to our project, select the project that you have on the Excel spreadsheet, go down to submittals. You are going to click Actions and Import Excel File. Make sure to save your Excel file to your computer. And total records 3, import successful 3. If you go to your submittal list, they will be added. Please remember that if you are going to put the contacts and the companies need to be spelled exactly how they are in Sage for this to completely go through, or it will give you a failure error. And that is how you import a submittal from Excel into Sage Construction Management. You can also go in here to be able to link your files to the submittal log.